Le français, c'est facile. Bonjour, welcome to Celine's Easy French. I'm Celine. In this lesson, we're going to learn the colors in French. So let's get started. Allons-y. I'll be saying the colors very slowly, so please repeat after me. Rouge, rouge, rouge. Red. Orange, orange, orange. Orange. Jaune, jaune, jaune. Yellow. Vert, vert, vert. Green. Bleu, bleu, bleu. Blue. Violet, violet, violet. Purple. Brun, brun, brun. Brown. Marron, marron, marron. Brown but with a more reddish tone to it. Rose, rose, rose. Pink. Gris, gris, gris. Gray. Blanc, blanc, blanc. White. Noir, noir, noir. Black. So colors are adjectives, meaning that they're describing a noun. In French, most of the adjectives are placed after the noun. So colors must be placed after the noun that they're describing. Also in French, adjectives must follow the gender and number of the noun that they're referring to. So for example, if your noun is feminine singular, your adjective must be feminine singular as well. So to change the gender and number of an adjective, we need to add some letters at the end of the adjective. Here is the formula that you need to know. When an adjective is masculine singular, no change is made. To make an adjective feminine singular, you need to add an E at the end of your adjective. To make your adjective masculine plural, you need to add S at the end of the adjective. And finally, to make your adjective feminine plural, you need to add ES at the end of the adjective. So here are the feminine forms of the colors. Rouge remains as rouge in the feminine form just because it's already ending in E in the masculine form. Jaune also remains as jaune in the feminine form. Vert becomes verte. Bleu becomes bleu. Brun becomes brune. Rose remains as rose. Gris becomes grise. And noir becomes noir. But there are some exceptions, which is the case for violet, blanc, orange, and marron. Let's first look at violet. Violet becomes violette in the feminine form, so we need to double the T before adding the E. Next one is blanc. Blanc becomes blanche in the feminine form, so we need to add H before the E. Orange and marron are invariable, meaning that they never change their form. So they always remain the same regardless of the gender and number of the noun that they describe. One more thing, there are two ways to say brown in French, which are brun and marron. To say your hair is brown, you need to use brun. For example, mes cheveux sont bruns. And to say that your eyes are brown, you need to use marron. For example, Mes yeux sont marrons. Now let's make some sentences with those colors. Rouge. La pomme est rouge. Orange. La citrouille est orange. Jaune. Les bananes sont jaunes. Vert. La salade est verte. Bleu. L'oiseau est bleu. Violet. Les fleurs sont violettes. Brun. Le sac est brun. Marron. Mes yeux sont marrons. My eyes are brown. Blanc. Le chien est blanc. Noir. Le chapeau est noir. So now you know the colors in French. If you like this lesson, please like my video and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video. À bientôt!